In 2006, Talisman Energy will install 2 wind turbines adjacent to its Beatrice platform. The 2 turbines will operate as a demonstrator project for 5 years, providing data about the technical, environmental and economic issues associated with creating a commercial wind farm in deep water. In July 2006, fabrication is nearing completion. Across Europe, from Stornoway to Germany, from Fife to Denmark, the main contractors are finishing work on the major components. Soon the installation phase will begin, the culmination of a long journey, and one that has seen Talisman and its partners address a range of environmental and engineering challenges. The Beatrice oil field is located in the Murray Firth, some 22 kilometres east of the Caithness coast. Oil production began here in 1981, and Talisman acquired the field in 1996. At the time, it was forecast that production could cease in 1998, but Talisman has worked to extend the life of the field, and current forecasts now stretch out to 2025. 5 years ago, Talisman began to look at options for reducing operating costs and extending field life, and these studies revealed the potential for creating a commercially viable, large-scale offshore wind farm at the site using the Beatrice platform as a hub. As a result, Talisman and its partner Scottish and Southern Energy embarked upon the demonstrator project with funding support from the DTI, Scottish Executive and European Commission. As plans for the wind farm have evolved, a wide-ranging programme of consultations has been carried out with local communities, businesses, environmental groups and statutory agencies. In January 2005, a detailed scoping report was published which identified all the potential environmental effects of the project. 2 of the key issues investigated were possible impacts on birds and marine mammals. In the first instance, a year-long survey of the site was completed by ornithologists to quantify the potential collision risk to birds posed by the turbines. Similarly, an acoustic monitoring program conducted by the University of Aberdeen provided data about the way in which different species of whales and dolphins use the waters around the site. As a result of such research and the feedback from the consultation program, Talisman completed a review of all potential environmental effects, and this was presented to the DTI in January 2006. It also fed directly into the project's environmental protection plan. Parallel to this consultation process, there have been major engineering challenges to address. The deepwater jackets were built at the Methyl construction yard, where one of the key steps was the mating of the transition piece with the jacket substructure. The transition piece is designed to ensure that the forces acting on the turbine and the tower are distributed evenly through the jacket and into the seabed. When assembled, the jackets will be transited directly to the installation site. Piling the jackets into the seabed is one of the most environmentally sensitive operations, and independent marine mammal observers will be present throughout. Once the jackets are installed, the crane barge will travel to Nigg in the Cromarty Firth, where the wind turbines will be pre-assembled. Transported to the site, each turbine will be lifted up and the 2 parts of the landing device will be mated. The landing device helps to align the turbine with the jacket and minimizes any impact. Once both turbines are installed, commissioning will take several weeks to complete. First power will be achieved in the 3rd quarter of 2006, and the turbines will produce 10 megawatts of power. But of course, that's not the end. The learning process continues throughout the project, as Talisman and Scottish and Southern Energy seek to prove the commercial viability of wind power in deep water.